In this video, I will show you how to connect your Vantage Markets broker account to TradingView. First, open your browser and go to TradingView. Once you are on TradingView, make sure you are logged into your TradingView account. After that, open any chart you want. You can choose a forex pair, an index, crypto, or any other market available on TradingView. Now once the chart is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on Trade. After clicking on Trade, TradingView will open the Broker Connection panel. Here, you will see different brokers that you can connect to TradingView. Scroll through the list until you find Vantage. Once you see Vantage, click on it. Now, click on Connect. TradingView will then redirect you to the Vantage login page. From here, enter your Vantage Markets account login details. Make sure you enter the correct email, username, or account details linked to your Vantage account. After entering your information, click on Connect or Log In. Now, wait for the connection to complete. Once it is connected successfully, your Vantage Markets account will be linked to TradingView. You can now use TradingView to view your charts, manage your trades, and place orders directly through your connected Vantage account. If Vantage does not appear in the broker list, make sure you are using the correct TradingView region and that your account supports broker connections. And that's it. That's how you can connect Vantage Markets Broker to TradingView